The stock is up more than threefold since we began recommending it 6 years ago. So somebody's been buying it, and so clearly the stock has done well, and deservedly so. They have a very well-defined and well-executed strategy. They have the largest cloud revenues in the industry for the last 6 quarters. Margins are going up, and ultimately we're going to see very strong cash flow, which will continue to drive the valuation.
The stock is about 112 today. Where do you see it moving to?
Well, 3 months ago, we raised our price target, as we have repeatedly for the last number of years. Most recently, we set it at 124. So that would still give us some upside from today's price. And we'll see how they report in a couple of weeks. And as always, adjust as needed.
Jay, how should investors think about valuation? When I take a look at various valuation metrics, price to earnings, price to sales, price to book, enterprise value to sales, enterprise value to free cash flow, right now they are higher than their 5-year average across the board. At what point does it get too expensive or fully valued, in your view?
Well, we don't think Microsoft is too expensive, and the other stocks that we like in software as well, we think still have appreciation potential. To your point about the metrics, all of those matter, all of those are important, and we look at those, but the single thing that we look at, that we base our price targets on, is cash flow. And we're looking for, within the next 2 years, a nearly $50 billion free cash flow number. We haven't gone past 20 yet in terms of our numbers, but on that basis, if you do a DCF, we get to our price target.
How important is Satya Nadella to this company right now?
Crucial. We think that for the last 4.5 years, and I've said this before, he's been instrumental to defining and executing the strategy. I'll point out, though, that we were recommending the stock before he became CEO because the seeds of the transformation were in place, but he clearly built upon that and leveraged those things, and you clearly see this in multiple ways across the company, the cloud business, the margins, even the stability of older businesses that were presumed to be in decay aren't really in decay. And so in multiple ways, I think his strategy is being very well executed.
Excellent at execution, certainly.